I'm at Paris Aerospace, the Defence Expo 2022. It has been inaugurated yesterday by the Prime Minister of India, none other than Narendra Modi ji. I have Mr. Akula with me. He's from Navi Bombay. He's an IITian and he's from Kanpur, and everybody is into the drone space. It was like it's a drone revolution, like we had the milk revolution and the green revolution. So I feel the skies are, now we are facing a lot of tough competition, but there are people who are going to be eventually there. So Paris Aerospace has got a name now. So over to Mr. Akula. You can introduce yourself and talk about this company and the DEF Expo. Sir.
Thank you, sir. I am Pankaj Akula, CEO of Paris Aerospace. So we are a manufacturing company of drones based out of Navi Mumbai. We manufacture drones, drone cameras, and also design and develop a variety of drone software. So what we have here to present the first aircraft, the next generation drones are called unmanned combat aerial vehicles. So this is a very innovative product which is used to increase the range of a regular grenade or ammunition from 300 meters to 15 kilometers. So like you can see, this is called a revolver concept where we can load 8 shells, and then the drone travels to the target place, and once the soldier confirms that the target is accurate, he is going to decide to drop the bomb.
When you're talking about the drone space, so you people are also into the manufacturing, or right now you're into the kind of development, R&D, and then you are going to, and what areas do you operate other than defense?
No, we are primarily a manufacturing company. We are a manufacturing heavy organization. We have 2 factories in Bombay, and we are a fully made in India manufactured products. So apart from these these areas, we also operate in the industrial and agricultural space, industrial drones as well as agricultural drones. So we design and develop a variety of platforms. Like one of the unique applications that we have is a high altitude mission aircraft called the angular rotor platform. Which is designed to take off in a lower air densities and higher wind velocities. So typically in the northern territories, you have the bigger challenge where you cannot fly it due to the high wind speed. So we have developed a very unique platform for these high wind applications.
So now when you're here at the DEF Expo, and the Prime Minister was here, and the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh ji's signed up a lot of MOUs with foreign defence ministers, and we are set to become, an export hub. So what do you feel about it? What's going to be your contribution?
So definitely with the support of the government, all the domestic companies, we are aiming for a big export market, and the core possibility for this arrives if we are able to design and develop every product from scratch. That is what Paris Aerospace is doing today, that we are trying to do a fully homegrown solution and get the benefit in terms of cost and technology advantage, and then be competent globally in terms of price wherever we want to ship and export to.
Okay. And what about your workforce? Like what kind of workforce and women, skill development India initiative is also there, where our skill development, they want people to get jobs.
So for this, the Paris Aerospace has very early stages has identified this challenge of skill. So Paris Aerospace, has going to get the certificate of our remote pilot training organization. We will be a DGCA approved institute who will be certifying the drone pilots.
So that's a very excellent initiative.
Yes, so our focus is on to reduce the cost of the pilot licensing, which typically in the market is roughly around 60,000 rupees. We want to bring it down to a price of 25,000 rupees and make it affordable, so that we have a real challenge of skillful pilots in the country today.
So you plan to go out of Maharashtra? Do you want to go into the other states of India?
No, the plan for the drone school setup is across each and every state. We are inviting partners across the country, colleges and companies who can take up the partnership with us, and we will help them in establishing the technology centers and training centers for enabling the skill development in the country. So
good. So thank you, Pankaj Akula ji, and this is Sanjay Agrawal signing off with my friend Ajay ji. So we are all from Delhi actually. So it's good to meet all of you here and see the new, these people, the Paris group, I would say they are the future, they're the leaders of tomorrow. Because if we are looking for 2047, so that is going to be the real, testing time when who's succeeded. Like you're going to be the real people who have generated revenue in this space. Thank you.